Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the line or brush tool you plan to edit. This sets the context for thickness changes. Once chosen, look at the stroke or weight field, often a numeric value like 1, 2, or 0. 5, and click it to open options. Make sure to enable pressure sensitivity if you use a tablet so thickness responds to pressure. If there's a preview, watch how adjustments affect a sample line. Now that the tool and basic controls are active, proceed to adjust values precisely. Once the stroke panel is open, use the slider or type a numeric value to set the exact thickness you want. Enter 3px for screen work or 0. 5pt for print. Make sure to toggle cap and join styles. Rounded caps or beveled joins change how endpoints and corners look, so they matter. If there's a hairline or a line-to-pixel option, try it for crisp edges. Preview the line at the final zoom or export size to confirm it reads well in the intended context. You finish by applying the new thickness to selected paths or saving it as the default for future strokes so you don't repeat steps. Once done, export a small sample at the final resolution to verify thickness remains consistent across devices or print. Scaling can alter perceived weight. If lines appear too thin or jagged, make sure scaling isn't enabled for strokes and check stroke alignment. Center, inside, outside. This one tip, verify export at final size, prevents most surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.